The ultimate variety pack for all your travel needs. 8 small, 6 medium, 4 large compression bags, and a pump to take care of everything. It's got a double zipper, it's waterproof, and airtight. So save up to 80% of the space. Let's go ahead and give these a try.
Welcome to Lorrie's world, where the garden grows tall. Hydroponics and heirlooms answering nature's call.
Well, I love the products that I get from Saker, and this is another one that they have sent me to review. Now, the product name on here is WellMall Travel Vacuum Bags. And although I'm not planning to travel anytime soon, I bet you I could use some of these for storage. So let's go ahead and pop this open. It comes with its very own pump, which, fabulous. You don't have to have anything with it. I am going to take this and charge it up. Let's see what else. There's something else in here. Oh, this is my charging cable. Oh, here comes my sweet little squeak. Oh my mess. They pulled down everything yesterday. But anyway, so let's take a look at these bags. Oh, there's another piece of something. I don't know what it's for, but I'll find out when I look at the instructions. And there's a little squeak trying to help. So there's different sizes of bags. These must be the small ones. I would assume those are small. 20-inch. Okay, so small. And then we have, this must be the medium. Yeah, this is the 24-inch. So, like, these are good sized bags. I'm interested to see what they're like once they're squished down. And then let's take a look at the big ones. Oh, this is the big one. Oh my goodness, this is huge. Okay, so this is the biggest one. My goodness. So this is the 28-inch. So I'm honestly thinking that I can use these for storage. So let's get this charged up and we'll give it a try. Okay, so one thing that I have that just takes up way too much room in our closets that's not being used is this down quilt. And so I'm going to try and put it into one of these big bags. So let's see if we can get this great big thing into this bag. And let's see if we can't get this in here. All right, come on, baby. You can do it. Okay, so it fit. Squish out some of the air. Let's zip this up. Okay. And now I'm gonna open this. And I guess grab this. Push it down on there. Oh, look at that! seal that on there. Ah, and look at that. Ah, that's fabulous. Now we just have to see if it stays like that for any length of time. And I will be able to stow that away somewhere where it won't be in the way so much. So yay, check it out, folks. My great big blanket squeezed down into nothing. Now I'm going to put this back on here. And that should just keep everything intact. And I'm going to leave it just sitting here for a while. And we'll see if it lets any air in or if it stays like that. I'll give it a half an hour and then I'll show you where it's at. And if it's still like this, then I'm going to go find somewhere to put it where it's going to be now out of the way. So yay for vacuum seal storage bags. I am going to love these because we got a lot of stuff we don't have any room for. So thank you again, Saker. Here it is, still sealed, still airtight, and I am going to take it and put it away and find some more stuff to put in some more of those bags. And we'll take a look at the kittens while we're here. A little squeak, a little bubble. They never like to be too far away. They're so much fun. You can't eat the camera.
From survival swaps to family, laughs by the fire. At Lorrie's World, you lift us high.